want to apologize to the GFAL community. I know, I'm sorry. There's people like me that exist that just learned about your token and are saying, please, please, please keep dropping. Please keep dropping because I want a better price. I want to buy in back here. I really want to buy in back here, but I want to buy in back here. Man, I'll take this price. I'll take it. I just don't want to buy at the high. I really, really don't. And I might get what I want though, because we've seen GFAL go through corrections, right? We saw it run up here and had a correction. Saw a run, have a correction. Run, correction. Run, correction. Run, slight correction, and then run. So maybe there's a correction coming around the corner where maybe since this correction was at, the price was high at 18 or like 1 cent and 1.9 cents. And then they came and corrected back at 13 cents. Maybe I'll get that correction. Maybe I'll get a correction back at like 20 cents or not 20 cents, but 2 cents and some change. 2 cents and some change. Maybe. But I really do want that, man. It's the Script Legend here bringing you guys another video because I love GFAL. Even as crypto is struggling, GFAL is fighting. And for the last 7 days, they are down 5%. For the last day, they're down 1%. Looking to be down 2%. And there's people that actually bearish on GFAL apparently. We have one person said that people are getting greedy, not even at the parabolic stage of a bull run, and they're dumping on people early. Be careful with the coins like that. They either bought in early or are well. I'm bearish on GFAL in 3 days, more 3% in circulation, coin in circulation. I think this is just a correction. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is just a correction. I think that GFAL has a lot of potential. I love what they're doing in the gaming industry. Multiple people are excited about GFAL, especially because they just did an unlock, or at least it's coming in this week. And I love the price it's at now. I love the market cap it's at. It's at $65 million in market cap, so that leaves massive upside potential. There's rumors that it could be like the next Gala. It can be the next AVAX. And the game Elemental Raiders that they have out, I've watched clips of it. It's an entertaining game to watch fairly. And honest, and clearly it is because they have tournaments and they've hosted multiple tournaments. And if they continue to do so, they'll continue gaining more and more eyesight. The more and more Elemental Games gets into the feeds. And when Elemental Games or crypto sees that run, I think that they could definitely see a lot of feed receives. Like, I think they could definitely blow up in the short feeds and on YouTube as well, as a token or as a game that does reward you for playing, especially the fact that it is free to play. So all of that being stated, I love GFAL. I hope to see it do great. I think it's not really fair to say people get ready, not even at the parabolic stage of a bull run, and they people dumping on you early. You're right, people will dump on you, but I think that there's a lot of people that actually believe in GFAL and think that they can make a lot of money off of it because it's in an industry that is the biggest industry in crypto. That's what I believe. So we'll have to wait and see though. All right, so please do your own research. Figure out if this is an investment you want to get in yourself. All right, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not at all financial advice. I do not know everything. I just know what I know. All right, and sometimes I don't do the best job at articulating what I know. All I can do is just say, this is what I know. This is how I feel, or this is how I got to this stage and got to this point. I love the fact that they have the CEOs or the ex-executives of Electronic Arts and Activision Blizzard, that they're hosting tournaments, that they have games, more games coming down the pipeline. Their marketplace just partnered with Ramp. I love all those things, and that's how I've came to the conclusion that I'm at now. Alright, but with all that being stated, we're at the 5-minute mark of this video. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload. This is the Scripted Legend signing out. Please stay safe, and God bless.